Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an Airtel 4G SIM with active data and Samsung running the latest firmware. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Connections and Mobile Networks. Enable Voice over LTE or VoLTE LTE calls. Make sure you select the correct SIM if using two cards. Also check network mode is set to 4G/3G/2G auto. This step ensures the phone can accept Airtel's VoLTE LTE provisioning, so you can move to carrier-specific checks next. Next, you verify carrier settings. Open Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, access point names, and compare values to Airtel's standards. Edit if mismatched. Once saved, contact Airtel support to confirm VoLTE LTE provisioning for your specific SIM. Ask them to push activation if it's missing. While you wait, use the Samsung test menu with dialer code *#4636 #* to view IMS registration and network info. If IMS shows unregistered, this indicates provisioning or APN issues, so continue troubleshooting accordingly. To finalize, you reboot the phone, toggle airplane mode on then off, and reinsert the SIM to force fresh network registration. Make sure carrier services and Samsung phone apps are updated. Then, if problems persist, perform a network settings reset in Settings General Management. This clears APNs and reconfirms defaults. If VoLTE LTE still doesn't work, test with a known working Airtel 4G SIM to isolate the device versus SIM issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if IMS stays unregistered after these steps, request a SIM swap or visit an Airtel service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.